Hello and welcome to my channel Learning Construction Management with Dr. A.R. Nasir. I am Dr. Abdurrahman Nasir and the slogan for my channel is Construction Management Made Easy. In this video, we will learn about the comparison of a project and operation. But before we proceed further, I request you all to please subscribe my channel for keeping me motivated to continue making the educational content for learning construction management. So without further ado, let's get started. The topics which we are going to cover in this video are what is an operation and what are the similarities and the differences between a project and the operation. Let's move on to the first part, which is regarding what is an operation. But before we move on, if you want to learn what a project is, then please click here to watch the relevant video. The operations are the ongoing execution of activities that produce the same output or provide a repetitive service. The operations do not produce anything new, but they are necessary to maintain and sustain the systems. Operations are used to run regular business models, achieve the goals of the businesses, and sustain the businesses. The operations are different as opposed to projects, which are known for their uniqueness. Let's have a look how the project and the operations are similar to each other. The project and the operation share many characteristics, some of which may be they both are performed by people, they both are constrained by the limited resources, and they both are planned, executed, and controlled. Having these characteristics, the operations may include activities such as the financial management and control, the continuous manufacture of a product, or the product distribution, whereas with the same characteristics, a project may include activities such as developing a new product or service, affecting a change in structure, staffing, or style of an organization, and developing or acquiring a new or modified information system. Now let's have a look at the differences between the project and the operation. The project takes place outside the process world and it is also unique and separate from normal organizational work. Whereas on the other hand, the operation or the process is the ongoing day-to-day activity. The operation or the process use existing systems, properties, and capabilities to run themselves. The examples of the project could be writing a term paper. In comparison, the operation would be taking the class notes. The project can be development of a supply chain information system, whereas the operation may be responding to a supply chain request. An example of a project may be the design and development of a new construction element, an example of which could be an aluminum window, which may be unique in nature in comparison to what is available in the market, whereas the operation would be the routine manufacture of that very unique window for it to remain available in the market. That's it. Hope you have liked the video. If yes, then please click the like button. If you have any query regarding the topic, please leave your comment and I will be more than happy to answer you directly. For more learning videos, do subscribe my channel Learning Construction Management with Dr. A.R. Nasir, because we believe construction management is made easy. Thank you for watching. See you soon Take care and goodbye.